Valentine's Day with my girl. Okay, so this is the target we're shooting at. It is, I think, what they would consider a 1/4 IPSC size target. We're shooting at 200 yards. So all the way down there. Okay, so today I'm shooting Ely Contact, and these are subsonic rounds. They don't break the sound barrier. It's better for stability over long distances. So I've zeroed the rifle at 50 yards and going to be shooting out to 200. Now, if you don't know what a 22 is, 22 round is that big. Oops. So we're going to send that little piece downrange to about 200 yards. We're coming up about 7 MOA. Hit. Not sure if you can hear that hitting. The interesting part is from down at that end, if the bullet is subsonic, it hits the target at the same time the sound reaches there, because they're going about the same speed. But when you're sitting at this end, that takes longer for the sound of the bullet hitting the target to come back to here. And so you get that delay. Oh, there we go. Showed up. And on that target there, somebody left a Sasquatch. I left it on there so I can shoot it right in the boob. I'll put in some sound of what it sounds like from down at that end for you. Well, ended up giving Sasquatch 2 to the body, 1 to the dome.